In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add visual effects to your video in Descript. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to access your clip's settings, browse the visual effects available, and apply the ones that fit your project style. First, make sure your Descript project is open with the video clip you want to enhance placed on the timeline or canvas. Having the correct clip selected ensures the right controls appear, so click the video once to highlight it if needed. Next, open the clip's properties. The easiest way is to right-click directly on the video clip and choose Show More Properties. If you prefer, you can also use the triple dot icon associated with the clip to get to the same place. Either option opens the Detailed Properties panel, where Descript keeps everything from basic transforms to stylistic adjustments. If you don't see properties, double-check that you're clicking the video layer, not an audio or text element. Inside the Properties panel, look for the Visual Effects section. Click the plus icon to open the effects library. This is where you can browse what's available, whether you're aiming for subtle polish or something more stylized. Think of the plus button as your gateway to creative tweaks. No need to dig through menus. Now choose the visual effects that match your goal. You might add a color adjustment for a richer look, a soft vignette for focus, a blur to anonymize a background, or a drop shadow to make a picture-in-picture pop. After you add an effect, you'll see adjustable controls like intensity, radius, or opacity. Move the sliders slowly and play your clip to preview changes in real time. If you stack multiple effects, you can usually reorder them for different results and toggle them on and off to compare before and after. A light touch often looks more professional, so aim for enhancements that support your story rather than distract from it. When you're happy with the look, that's it, you're done. Descript applies visual effects non-destructively, so you can come back later to fine-tune or turn them off without losing anything. If something doesn't land the way you expected, simply undo or reset the effect's settings. As a final check, skim through a few sections of your timeline to make sure the effect fits across different shots and lighting conditions. You've just learned how to open your project, access the clip's properties, add visual effects with the plus icon, and pick the options that best serve your video. Experiment a bit, keep it consistent, and let your visuals support your message.